For once, we have nothing to envy the south. I'm so happy. This is Cambrian summer, folks, and we're getting ready to barbecue. So we have lamb chops marinating in oregano and rosemary, oil, lemon, very Greek flavors. Vegetable kebabs with some manuri cheese. Odissea should be very pleased. Delightful meze from Odissea, because sometimes you just can't be bothered. So this is baba ganoush, and this is gigantes beans, these huge butter beans that are amazing. They've got so much flesh. Every little bite is full of flavor. Lovely dolmadakia. Great selection of olives. And the sausages that I'm trying to replicate my grandmother's, where she used to marinate the meat in cumin, bay leaves and red wine vinegar. We've got a couple of slices of bread with a bit of olive oil, salt and oregano. There's nothing like barbecued bread. And this new olive oil that I absolutely love, I got last week. It's Kalamata. I mean, olive oil, really, virgin olive oil should taste of olives and should smell of olives and should smell of the fruitiness should come through. And this is just incredible. I need to find out what supermarkets it's available through to let you know. And some lovely local sauces by Claire's Handmade. She's won quite a few awards, Claire. So this one is spicy tomato chutney, and this one is smoky red pepper salsa dip, and they will be great with the sausages. So everything is ready to go on the Barbie, and I can't wait. And my chef is ready to go.
Oh. No, I'm not.
Yes,
I'm caught by surprise. Well, you can see the Barbie here.
There you are.
This is a classic Weber grill. The temperature is now at 180, which I'm told is about right for what we need
ready to go.
Do you want to look inside?
Yes, please.
I haven't yet prepared the coals, actually.
Let me see.
You can look now.
Okay, getting there.
Getting there. And we have some hickory chips here.
Perfect.
They're not going to be fried. This is an old frying pan.
We're not eating those.
Was going to be thrown away, but I thought it would serve as a useful basting dish. But these are hickory chips, and they've been damped, really, just really soaked in a little bit of water. So when we put them on the barbecue, they won't catch fire. They'll smoke, and of course it's that hickory smoke which is really what's going to add a lot of flavour to all the ingredients.
It's time to own up. What are you holding?
I'm holding a frying pan.
No, the other hand.
Oh, I see. This is this is a glass of whiskey from the Scotch Malt Whisky Society. It's called Battleites, this one.
Yeah.
And it's a smoky, Islay whiskey. And it's actually very, very nice indeed.
I hope it doesn't mean anything.
The Battleites reference. I'll leave that for you to decide.
Other than we are both missing being at the Islay Whiskey Festival, aren't we?
Indeed we are. And we were just talking about booking to go next May. It's actually taking place this week up in Islay. Islay is an island off the northwest of Scotland, which I think has 9 distilleries on. It's a small island, 9 distilleries. You can actually walk from one to the other in some places. And it's a fantastic festival of whiskey, music and just great companionship, like-minded people meeting up and enjoying what they do.
So Greek flavors, come on chef, get on with it.
Okay.
So this is a break for me, you understand. I've got a Stockport chef in Cumbria cooking Greek food.
I'm thinking of Scotland.
I'm thinking of Scotland. God help us all. Oh yes, loving the smells. My vinegary sausages are getting there. Great job, chef.
Not really.
Have another whiskey.
Yeah.
And now cooked and ready to be consumed. I can't wait to eat the bread. Vegetable kebabs, lamb chops marinated, sausages marinated, nice bread, lovely dips from Odyssea, dolma d'Acchia, yin and the beans. Well done, chef.